I first started experiencing hair loss maybe 3 or 4 years ago, and it was really gradual. The impact that I was feeling on my life at that time of my hair loss was really affecting how I viewed myself, my confidence. I did a lot of research online, and I consulted with a few doctors via email and remote. AlviArmani had a huge impact on me for my choice because of their knowledge in every question I had. There was nothing that they didn't know how to answer. I talked with Chad over the phone. He was very knowledgeable, gave me a lot of confidence. I really just felt so comfortable that it was one of those decisions I was like, I think this is the best decision to make. Reviewing other doctors, there were a lot of ifs, ands, and buts, and I felt a lot more safe with AlviArmani. I did consider going to Turkey. From what I found is actually in Turkey, when you go for a procedure, they change their laws. And not all of the doctors that would perform on a procedure are actually as experienced. Everything was very comfortable. I didn't feel any pain. The staff was extremely courteous and accommodating. Even post-procedure, they were easy to contact and had answers to every single one of my questions. I'm actually a little more proud of the fact that I've had hair surgery now than I was before. I am a little more open to disclosing that as well, because I feel good, I feel confident, and I feel like I'm back to my young self. I'm an interior designer. I deal with very high-profile clients, and so image is a very big deal. If a friend of mine came up to me that was losing their hair, I would encourage them to try PRP and minoxidil and all the things that were prescribed to me by AlviArmani, because I was very educated by them. But I do know that I would also recommend to have a procedure done. I was concerned and I had many worries and questions, and even post-surgery I was also very skeptical about how well it would turn out. My procedure has exceeded my expectations.